Hello, good afternoon. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Sabina Bishwakarma,
How old are you?
27 old.
How many family members are there?
My family member is 5.
Okay. Your education, height, weight,
My education is the 10 pass, height 5.4,
and weight?
weight 60,
Okay. Are you married?
single I am.
Do you have any work experience?
Yes, I am work experience. I have 1 year Dubai dishwasher.
Okay. Can you do work in any climate inside or outside?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you work long hours duty, maybe 10 to 12 hours a day when required?
Yes,
So you are applying for a dishwasher in any European country, yes?
yes,
Okay, do you have any friends or relatives staying in any European country?
no,
Do you have medical or health problem?
no,
Okay, also know that you need to complete a contract agreement with the company you are sponsor for 2 years. Can you do that?
yes,
Also, you need to follow rules and regulation as per the company policy. Is it okay for you?
yes,
Okay, can you show me your skills now?
yes.
Okay.